We're at Octoral's or Sherwin-Williams BTC, Business Training Center. One of you asked me to do a walkthrough of it. So come on, let's have a look inside and let me take you through this center. It's amazing. So Luke's behind me with the camera, which is great. As you come in, first of all, you've got a nice, welcoming reception area, which you then come through into their, I'd like to say canteen area, but this is where you're going to stop and you're going to have your teas, your coffees, your lunch during the day. So it's just got a really nice vibe to it. Come through, there's 2 training rooms here. This is the larger one of the 2. And so this is where the actual theory training is going to all happen. And then from here, you'll move into, if you're out here doing color matching or learning about the colors, you'd come into the smaller room, which is the green room. And this is where they're going to help you understand toners, opaque toners, metallics, etc. Everything to do with color and color formulation. From there, you come into the main hub, which is the actual training center itself. So this is where everything happens. On the right here, we have the VR, so the virtual reality experience. Something that's unbelievably realistic. You actually feel you're in a spray booth. It allows you to understand how you're spraying, what your coverage is like, where you've missed, if you're applying it too far, are you too close to the panel, too far from the panel, etc. So this, I really enjoyed playing around in here. There's a great defects, so coatings defects board here with lots of different panels that have various issues going on with them. And then they come with a little card as well, so you can see. Now, there's something we're trying to introduce for the Sherwin-Williams and Octoral users that relates to this, but it's in the pipeline, and we look forward to being able to share that to you in some time. One of the panels that we're going to be working on today is this, so it's all been prepped up. And it's a smart repair. Somebody asked about blending out, so this is a silver, so we've got a little smart repair on the corner there, and it's how to blend out a silver into a mid panel using a drop coat. But come through, let's take you into, before we do, just want to show you 2 prep stations. So prep 1, prep 2, that's there. But in here, got a little bit excited then, is the paint mixing room. And there's obviously lots of space to accommodate several people coming out to be trained. You've got their new automated Pronto machine, which I will share some information on over the coming weeks. The whole Octoral scheme there's a water base and a solvent base. Some of the guns have already been laid out that we're going to be using today. So we've got some SATAs, some phasers, SATA phasers, 5500s, and the Vilbis DV1s. So looking forward to using that. And then you've got the actual spray booth as well. Nice big window so you can watch from the outside what's happening. But let's go inside and see what's going on. And so in here, we have the jobs that we're going to be working on today. So we've got 2 black panels. And the reason we've got that is we're going to be showing you, well, we're actually going to do 2 tests. Firstly, we're going to be showing you the new silver from Sherwin-Williams, Octoral. And we're also going to be doing, hopefully, a little competition between the 401, which is one of my favorite clear coats, and the 600, which is also a fantastic clear coat. And favored by many people. I like it. I just need to use it in the summer months for myself because of the way my workshop works. But we're going to sort of put them one against the other and see what the results are. So that's what we've got going on today in the Sherwin-Williams Bristol Business Training Center.